Hey, good morning everyone. My name is Vipin Kumar. In this video, we are going to install and configure the Docker machine, a client tool on our CentOS machine. Docker machine is a tool to provision and manage your Docker environment on across all cloud providers as well as in your local data center. Currently, it is supporting VMware tools, VirtualBox, all major cloud providers, Azure, AWS, OpenStack, and Google Cloud. Let's update our YUM repository. Okay, our YUM repository is up to date. Now let's go ahead and install the Docker machine. Okay, Docker machine client has been installed. Before trying to access, let's go ahead and install some of the batch script to make enhancement in the Docker machine. Okay, all the required batch script has been installed. We can try to get a version of the Docker machine. Okay, Docker version machine 0.14.0 has been installed. We can try to make a list of all available Docker machine. Currently, there is no Docker machine available to manage it. In the next video, we are going to create a Docker machine on the VM as well as on the cloud provider. For this video, that's all. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.